Today I'm going to be doing a quick, simple little project using some Wicket and Craig leather that I have and a Falcon 22 or Falcon 2 22 watt laser. I am a big fan. I'm a big fan of Creality. I've got two of their 3D printers and they work exceptionally well. The laser cutter works wonderfully well. They didn't give me any of this stuff so I can give them a good review. They don't sponsor me in any way. It's just my opinion. I use Lightburn. I have got the cheapest little on camera from the local department store and got it set up and have it working exceptionally well. Little bit off, but it makes it so much easier to set up and go. So I want to get these pieces cut out. This is for a little 2-picture holding keychain, and with the leather colors that I have, they come out looking really gorgeous, and it's a perfect way to use up some of that leather that's just too small for a lot of other projects, and they come out looking nice. The laser cutter is a game changer, especially when you get to the point where you can't tool leather anymore or the arthritis makes it very hard to even punch holes. This would be a game changer for you, and it works exceptionally well. Today I'm going to be using a Creality Falcon 2 22 watt laser. I have got a thinner piece of Wicket and Craig leather here, a thicker piece of some really beautiful Wicket and Craig leather, and I am going to be using up what would normally be scrap leather. It's almost too small to use. I'm currently using Lightburn. I've got the camera set up. You see here, got this thing all set up and ready to go. What I am going to do is cut out a little keychain holder that is a really nice way of using small scraps of leather. For this very thin leather, it's about 1 millimeter thick or less. On the 22 watt laser, I'm running at 1,000 millimeters per minute at a power of 100, and it does quite well. So I've got one of my pieces. Let's get the other one. Alright, you see the end result of some very well cut pieces. Every hole lines up perfectly when it's done. Now, since I'm not going to make you sit here and watch me lace this whole thing up, this is one that I've made earlier. It's the exact opposite color scheme, and I have my wife's initial on it, but they come out beautifully and they work well with rings, hooks, latches, catches, whatever you want to put on there. The pattern that I got for this came from, I'm sure I'm not going to pronounce it right, but Esserness on Etsy. I'll put a link for it down into the description. They have some really great patterns and fantastic outcome using their patterns. It might be worth looking into if you like doing little stuff like this.